I think they should pass an MOT now. And he actually swore at me. I think he was a bit surprised at what he saw. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in. Mark here. So today I come to you from a very warm, very sunny deal here in Kent in the UK, and I'm just about to start work on this BMW Z3. Losing my marbles. Yep, Z3. I thought it was a Z4 for a second, but no. So yeah, the owner's just left it with me, and we're going to see how we can get on with these today. So let's have a look at these. They're really quite bad. Oh, I haven't got my Neely board, and it's a gravel car park, so I'm being a bit cautious at the moment. But yeah, he's just said to me, do what you can with them. So I will do what I can, but they actually could be an MOT fail. They're really quite groggy. I'd say potentially totally original. Don't know how old the car is, I never asked him about the year, but totally original, never been touched. They look like they've got something going on the inside as well, but I'll only find out later if I get them super clear. But hopefully you can see that in the sun. So yeah, I think I'm going to get my gazebo up today because it is super sunny. Crack on with these and see if we can get a result for the owner. Let's just pan back here. You can see just how much they're letting the car down. Try and steady the camera up there. See that? I can't actually see the screen on my phone at the moment, it's so bright. Right, thanks for watching. I will see you on the other side of this. Hey up peeps, how you doing? So it's been a very lovely, warm, sunny day here in Deal. I've had the gazebo up, as you've probably seen on the video, and it was much needed, but it's really nice out here. And I've finished the BMW Z3 headlights, and I'm pleased to say I think they should pass an MOT now. Don't know if you saw them at the beginning of this video, but I think they were probably an MOT failure. I didn't ask the owner about that. I will do in a minute when I speak to him. But yeah, they're all done. So have a look at these, have a close-up look at these. Apparently the car's been sat around in a barn for a few years as well, so I don't know if that had any effect on why these were looking so groggy this morning. But that now is looking very nice indeed. Really pleased with that. Have a quick look at this one. Look at that. Lovely. And in actual fact, I do one headlight at a time due to the way I film, and the owner came out and he'd seen that other headlight finished when I was working on this one, and he actually swore at me, which was quite nice in a funny sort of way. I think he was a bit surprised at what he saw, so I'm hoping that when he sees both of them finished like this, is that level? Can't really see. Sun's shining on my camera. I'll do some proper after videos and stick them on the end in a sec. But yeah, I'm hoping when he comes out and has a look at them in a second, he'll be chuffed to bits. Really brings the front end of the car back. I think you'll agree. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.